Hi everyone, I am back. I'm shooting another episode. Today's episode, we're gonna do some fun crafty things as well as some floral arrangements based on a bubblegum theme. I am a big kid at heart. If anyone knows me, I have a jar of candy on my bedstand. I have it in my office. I have it in my car. I constantly eat sugar. And yes, I do eat sugar. I know it's bad for me, but I love it. So anyways, I've taken some bubblegum gumballs, and this is my inspiration. You know, we're gonna start off with like 3 different things, but let me show you one really cute stuff like this you can buy at the market, at the store, whether it's the toy store, the candy store, or a party supply store. I'm gonna show you how to make one yourself. Really easy. I'm going to take a terracotta pot like this, the saucer of the terracotta pot, a bubble bowl, and then a little, what do you call this thing? A little knob, thank you. Obviously, I don't know I need to spray this in red. This is raspberry colored spray paint, and I'm gonna quickly do this. Obviously, you need it to be in a ventilated area. Now you can do this 2 ways. You can do this with, you know, a sealer, because terracotta is porous, so it's gonna take a lot of paint. I know it's raspberry color, and give it a couple of seconds to breathe. While I do that, I'm gonna spray paint this as well. You wanna get the price tags off. Now you can also do, this is for another project. I'm gonna go in with a cherry wood tone, and that's gonna get my darker red variation. See? Slightly spraying this. If you're spraying the container and anything that you're spraying, you got to make sure you're using the same. If you're going up, you know, north and south, you gotta do north and south on the whole container. If you're going east and west, you gotta do east and west. You can't do east and west and north and south. What happens is you get lines that you don't want to fight. It doesn't paint evenly. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna let this kind of sort of sit and dry out while I prepare the other container. The other container we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull this aside, and I'm gonna take a clear cylinder, and I'm gonna take my gumballs, and I'm gonna fill it up. There you go. This way the foam's not gonna show. So I'm gonna take a little plastic dish. This is from the floral supply place. I'm gonna take my pre-soaked floral foam. I'm gonna cut it in half. And this is not pre-soaked either, so maybe this is a variety of, so this has to be pre-soaked, right? It needs to look like this. And the reason that you don't get pre-soaked like that is either one of the team forced it in and didn't let it to sit above the water and kind of soak in. So that's the reason, but it's okay. You can always add water to it. I'm not gonna do it for the video. You get that it's all pre-soaked. And then I'm gonna take my floral tape, and I'm going to do a crisscross. This is a quick, I don't want my table to get ruined, so I'm gonna clean out the paint that I spray paint really quickly. Put this over here. This Waddell over here. You've got the Oasis foam. You're gonna put it on top like this. The colors, I'm doing a really colorful arrangement. I'm using green mums, I'm using purple astromerium. No, this is not astromerium. This is, God, I forgot the name of this. Billy buttons. I'm using yellow billy buttons, red carnations, yellow wax flower. And I couldn't find any flowers that were blue at the market this morning. So I will make you one with a blue delphinium that is artificial, but for the sake of the video. See, these are my geranium leaves, and then this is my ficus tree at home that I have. I'm gonna take this, and again, this one leaf is literally going to cover a lot of, and I'm gonna go into the perimeter of it so that you don't see the foam in the arrangement. I'm starting with the greens, obviously it doesn't matter. And I'm going, you know, I'm trying to balance the color from like a triangle aspect and then fill it in as much as I can. If you have any ideas for me for any YouTube videos, you know, send me a comment, send me a message. I would love to hear from you because, you know, the reason I do these videos is for you guys to be inspired. And also find out how this brain works. You know, a lot of times people tell me, how do you find your inspiration? There's a lot of things, you know. The people I surround myself with inspire me. My travels all over the world inspire me. You guys inspire me. I get really happy when I hear those messages that you guys comment. Some of you, even though some of you don't like some of the videos, or I feel, you know, I don't say the words properly or correctly, even those comments, I don't take it at heart because I'm doing this for fun, so I take it seriously, but not that seriously. It's really to inspire you guys, and really I appreciate even those comments, and I am trying to make myself creations. Turn this around. A lot of you made a comment that I should be my natural self, and so this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be a little bit more natural, more relaxed on camera. My personality is coming. And look at this, these amazing varieties of ranunculus. That pop of orange, I think you need it. Wait until we add a couple more colors in here. You're gonna see how this just transforms. I'm gonna take these delphiniums. I have these amazing wire cutters that I use. I'm gonna snip a piece of it off, and then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do another snip of it so that I can use it twice. Anyways, I am moving forward because I need to do the other arrangements in the category. And look how gorgeous this is. Look how amazingly gorgeous this is. I'm gonna take a wooden dowel. I'm gonna do a candy, bubblegum, towberry tree for you. I'm gonna cut it. And this is a dowel you can find from the hardware store. Then I'm gonna take a styrofoam ball. I think this is probably 3 or 4 inches diameter, if I'm not gonna making a mistake. Before I put the glue, I'm gonna insert it. This. You don't have to do this perfectly. It doesn't have to look really beautiful inside because this is gonna be all covered. Now, originally I was going to paint this styrofoam to be a color so that we can camouflage the gumballs, but I'm not gonna paint it. It's not, not that you're gonna be able to eat the gumballs, but I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna give it a little shove. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my gumballs. One by one by one by one, I'm gonna glue them. So it's gonna be really boring, but I'm gonna start with the top. So I am about to finally finish this. It took, obviously, you'll see the fast version of this, but it takes quite a while. So make sure you have enough time allotted to do this. And if you're doing a couple of them, the good thing about it is this is really decorative. I just like to go over it one more time to make sure that it is what we wanted. It looks pretty good. I might end up tucking one or two in between here, but overall, I think we're good to go. I'm gonna take a piece of ribbon. This is a wired ribbon. It can be any type of ribbon that you guys decide to do. I'm gonna take this, cut about a yard or so, and I'm going to take a little dab of glue, go around the parameter, the base of the topiary, and I'm just going to go around and cover the dowel. Another dab of glue, and then I'm going to cut it off. I'm trying to, and all I'm going to do is lay the gumballs. And this way, if you want it to be an interactive centerpiece, the kids could, or the adults can chew on the gumballs from the pot rather than the topiary, trying to deconstruct it. I think this is really fun and cool. I'll take another piece of ribbon, the wired one, and I'll do it the opposite way so the camera sees it better. And I'm gonna give it a little bow tie. And I do cut the end of my ribbons in a dovetail. I do. It must have been really quickly that I was doing one of the videos. I got a comment on the other day. Someone said, oh, he doesn't even cut the ends of the ribbons. I am a Virgo. I am very particular in details, just to let you know. So here you go. This way. Look how cute this is. And you can do it with so many different colors. So I'm gonna do this final one that we were talking about doing, the gumball candy bowl. Let's take the terracotta pot. It's still not completely dry, guys, but we're gonna make the best of it and call it a day, because this video is taking a lot longer than I expected. Dab of glue, and then we're gonna pray it's gonna stay, but again, it needs to be completely dry. So I took the terracotta pot that I painted and glued it on. And now I'm gonna take some gumballs, the rest of this. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue, and the only reason I'm doing that is just so it holds it. And then I'm gonna take that wooden little knob. I'm gonna put a glue gun right on top of it in the center. And to finish this off, I would do some black marker little, so it's like the machine where you put the gum, so it comes where, the gum comes out of it and stuff. But look how cute this came out. Like literally, I can take this idea and run with it and do whole crazy, gumball theme. Let me clean out the table, put it all together, and see how that all looks. Everyone, I am so happy that you tuned in to see these amazing creations that I did for you on the bubblegum theme. This is to celebrate National Gumball Day, Bubblegum Day, National Gumball, Bubblegum, whatever it is. It's festive, it's fun. I made this beautiful bubblegum topiary tree for you. I made a bubblegum inspired floral arrangement, and I made you do a bubblegum container. These can be used as gifts, in centerpieces in larger formats and so forth. Make sure that you tune in and you sign up for a subscription to my YouTube channel. You will see all the social media links below or on the side of the screen. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, hopefully Twitter. I don't use much Twitter. But anyways, again, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this crazy, incredibly creative bubblegum theme. Again, peace out and thank you.